Hello, I am Dr. Raghava Rao of Usha Clinic and founder of the websites drraghavamedicaldoubts.in and qmedicaldoubts.blogspot.in. Today I am going to discuss about quinsy or peritonsillar abscess. Quinsy forms when the big crypt in the upper part of the tonsil has been occluded by the acute follicular tonsillitis. The crypt may be occluded by food particles, which may become the excellent medium for organisms to multiply and form an abscess. It is less common in children. The commonest organism being group A beta hemolytic streptococci, and the other is H. influenzae, may be responsible. First tracks forwards to reach the tonsillar capsule behind the anterior fascial pillar near its upper end, and then passes laterally and backward to the loose areolar tissue of the tonsillar bed. If not let out, the abscess may rupture into the mouth or occasionally into the space by the side of the pharynx. The process is usually unilateral and well circumscribed. A portion of peritonsillar abscess in children escapes diagnosis and subsides spontaneously, as evidenced by the number of cases in whom marked peritonsillar fibrosis is encountered in the upper part of the tonsillar fossa at a tonsillectomy operation. Signs and symptoms. The onset is acute. Severe pain on swallowing and even opening the mouth is difficult. Pain may radiate to the ear. Fever. There may be high fever, sore throat. There may be preceding sore throat for a few days due to the catarrhal or follicular tonsillitis. Examination of the throat may be difficult due to the pain and trismus. There may be gross swelling involving the anterior pillar and soft palate on one side. The swelling may push the uvula to the opposite side. The tonsil itself is pushed towards the midline but may not be seen because it is buried in the inflammatory swelling of the anterior pillar. In severe cases, dysphagia changes the quality of voice and drooling may be present. An yellow spot often develops after a few days high up in the anterior pillar, indicating the impending rupture. The abscess usually takes 5 days to develop fully. A rupture in the treated cases usually occurs in the 6th or 7th day with the discharge of foul-smelling pus into the mouth and relief from pain. In rare cases where abscess develops near the lower pole of the tonsil, there will be difficulty in protruding the tongue. Treatment. Penicillin. Systemic penicillin, procaine penicillin, is the drug of choice and is given IM for a week. Oral penicillin is given in large doses in addition. The throat is examined daily for any evidence of increase in the swelling. Once an abscess has formed, it should be incised and drained under general anesthesia. That is all about the quinsy, and in the next video I will discuss about some other disease. Thank you.